DuroVac stands for two things. Primarily, it stands for durability. Our brand promise supports the fact that we try to design and deliver products and services to make your entire team happy. But also, it encompasses the word endurance. And this dawned on me recently where we are crafting the timeless company that should make everybody be proud to work for and work with. The synergy between all of us, all of the people in the departments and the processes that go along with it, that's the success. For 2 years consecutively, our top 3 customers have said that we are their best suppliers. That is something to be underlined, underscored, and that's important. I feel that we've made an immense effort to make sure that people gel, people work well together, and giving them the tools and the resources to do so. Our lead times over the last 3 years, looking and analyzing metrics, has diminished year on year, even though during the first year of COVID, our lead times were totally fine. They were normal and standard, but they've gradually decreased over time, where we see that there are still some resistance in the market in terms of global and local supply chains. So for that, I attribute, at the root of all things, our success to how we've been able to make our people work well between each other. Our people are the ones delivering the work. We care for you as our people, and in return, our people care for us as a company, but also for the operations as a whole. Therefore, people are invested in the fact that we are productive as a company. The culture that I've inculcated into the business is creating a strong set of core values: family, honor, discipline, respect, passion, and decency, and ensuring that our leaders and ourselves promote that message and guard these values. But what I'm seeing today as the beauty of culture is that it is no longer just the leaders that are transporting this message, but also the folks on the ground now are reflecting it back to us. Our customers and our suppliers are starting to feed it back to us. That is the demonstration that it starts with care, even before having productivity aims, to make sure to create a balanced approach between caring for our people and our people then carrying the message, the company's message, naturally leads us into being able to achieve our strategic aims. That's really at the foundation of who we are. A timeless company is a company that will last the test of time. How do we do that is creating a company that's got agility. Agility in its mindset, agility in its ability to see what's coming, and we are going to be eternally prepared for whatever comes. We have cell phones today, we have internet, whereas probably companies of years past did not. The hybrid workplace setup, we've been there. So it's continuously looking towards the future and ensuring that we build in the necessary agility to last the test of time. Essentially, all the underlying necessities is again in our processes, our technologies, and our people. Ultimately, we could be selling other things, other services, using these principles and still last the test of time. Joining a company's story to the human stories behind it, I came out of college. DuroVac helped me support getting married, having kids, buying a house, but that story is not mine only. It is a shared story of all folks at DuroVac. To me, that's the part that makes me most proud, is being able to share in just that story where things bloom and flourish from the ground up. Yeah. The stories that I've lived through that has been shared by others are countless, given the fact that we care about our people, but also because we run our company very responsibly. We've had folks that got sick and they went off on leave, and as usual, people coming from other industries or other companies would have been concerned about their well-being, their livelihoods. Our first reaction was always, don't worry, you've given us years of service, you go out there and get better, we got your back. That story could be told pretty much by everybody in the organization. Now, these are existing stories that either have come to pass, but also are happening right this moment, but going into the future as well, where we feel that people have invested so much in our company, we owe it to them to give them a dignified and gracious next chapter. We've done a lot for our people because our people have done a lot for us. Tangible accomplishments and successes, we've had several. Like I today am a homeowner thanks to DuroVac, and several of our folks bought properties because that's what they wanted. That was their life goals. If that's what you want, and if these are your dreams and goals, DuroVac wants to be part of it to help you realize them. I would say that likely 80 to 85% of people own property in our business, most of them thanks to DuroVac. In the times that we live right now, that's a huge feat. That's a nice accomplishment.